What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be working on this Tesla Model S, and we're going to be installing a set of our carbon fiber side mirror covers. We're going to be showing you this product and walking you through how to install it yourself. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. These covers are going to be available in gloss as well as matte. And today on this Model S, we're going to be installing the matte version to match the rest of the carbon fiber trim we have here. We're also going to be using the duplicate prep wipes and 3M Adhesion Promoter to assist with this install. These are also available on our website alongside the camera covers. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure the car is clean. So go ahead and wash the car if you need to clean this area. And what we're going to do is take one of the covers and just go ahead and test fit it. And we just want to get familiar with how this fits and get comfortable with how it fits before we peel the tape and fit it up for real. So now that we feel good about our fitment, I'm going to go ahead and take the prep wipe and clean this area, and this is going to strip any waxes or grease or fingerprints that may prevent us from getting some good adhesion of the tape. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on both sides and get them clean. Alright, once you've got those wiped down and dry, we can now come back with our 3M Adhesion Promoter, and we're going to do the same thing. Wipe right over the camera cover here where the new camera cover is going to sit. And I'm going to make sure to just keep this on the surface of the camera cover. We don't want to get any out on the fender. And there's no need to come back and dry the adhesion promoter with a towel. It's going to naturally kind of flash off. We're just going to give it a minute and you'll notice it will appear dry on its own. And now we know we're ready to go ahead and put the camera cover on. So we're just going to come here and peel our red backing. And then we're just going to line this up just like we did when we were test fitting. And just give it a good press into place. And we'll repeat this process on the other side. So that does it for our install today of our carbon fiber camera covers on this Tesla Model S. If you want to check this stuff out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment below and we'd be happy to help. If you're not already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.